How to make QR code for Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So guys, if you connected to a particular Wi-Fi on your iPhone, just like I did here, and then you want to generate a QR code for this particular Wi-Fi, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So for the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Getting a QR code for Wi-Fi will make it easy to share the Wi-Fi and the password without physically sharing the Wi-Fi username and then the password, because the password is going to be imbibed in the QR code generated on your iPhone, and then you can now share this across your device for others who have access to the Wi-Fi to connect to it automatically by scanning the QR code. Now to do this, I just need to go ahead and open the password apps on your iPhone. So search for password apps and then open it. Literally, the password app can be found under utilities. So you can just open the utilities folder on your iPhone and then open the password application. And if the password app is missing in your iPhone, you need to go to the App Store and search for passwords and then install it. Go ahead and open the password application on your iPhone, then locate Wi-Fi, then click on it. Here you have access to all the Wi-Fi you have connected on your iPhone and the one you're currently connected to. Then to make QR code for your password, now to generate QR code for Wi-Fi password you connected to, just click on the Wi-Fi like this, then tap show network QR code. Now once you hit show network QR code, you see the network QR code just like this. Then you can just go ahead, take a screenshot of the QR code and then send it, or use another device to just scan the QR code just like this. Then once you're done, hit the done button. So that is basically how to make QR code for Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.